Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I want to share with you today is really an announcement about our latest course that's being released right now. So if you're brand new to trading, brand new to investing, just getting started, trying to get your feet wet, this is the perfect course for you because we go in detail about getting started in the stock market, about trading, investing. If you're not sure where to go, swing trading, day trading, this is the course for those of you that are just getting started. And it comes to you at a discount. So anytime we do kind of an initial launch, that's when we do discounts. We don't really do a lot of promotions throughout the other years. It just trains people to kind of watch for discounts and wait forever. So if you've been with us for a little while, watching some of the videos on YouTube or just on our newsletter list, then this is your discount, your opportunity to take advantage of a discount and promotion. And if you go ahead and go to our website, rise2learn.com, that's really where we hold all of our courses. Now, yes, we have a primary website where we have a lot of free videos. This is tradersfly.com. You can also head on over there and it'll link you up to the course by clicking this link right there. And there's going to be a button here very soon, right after I get done with this video. So you'll be able to go ahead and go to this page and, you could go ahead and learn more. And once you click that button, and you'll be able to see right there, there's a coupon code, get started number 2. So get started 2 to save during the checkout, and it expires February 1st. So make sure you go ahead and grab the course by February 1st. Otherwise, well, the rate will go up. And as normally things do, once the coupon expires, it expires. And that's just the nature of business. So as you go through this course, there's a lot of content and material to go ahead and learn from. So if you're looking through it, you can go ahead and go through module 1. It's just kind of a course introduction. You've got a big picture to investing here, a little bit more about stocks, why invest and how you make money, industry basics, things about ETFs, the game of Wall Street, how this business really works. And you can see these videos are, 63 minutes long. Some are 67 minutes long. So before you start trading, some things to look at, some books, list of brokers, the trader in you, trading mindsets, why most traders fail, going long versus going short, what it really means, finding good stocks to invest in, executing orders, and common Q&As, and some final words of wisdoms. And then there's some bonus modules like Thinkorswim trading platform walkthrough, study guide, and PowerPoint slides that are used. So of course you could probably find a lot of this stuff for free, even on our YouTube channel or even on our website. So if you really want, you could go through a lot of the lessons on our website for free. But the thing is with the course, it's there. There's no ads like there are on YouTube, and it's right start to finish. You get it done, and it's much more detailed because the videos are reworked. It's not just, hey, we take our YouTube videos and then we make a course out of it. It's reworked from the ground up. So it's much more detailed of a course and material. And if you're interested in the details, and if you've been confused trying to jump around from one video to another, putting the puzzle pieces together, this is kind of like watching a movie. You watch it from start to finish, from the beginning to the end, and it goes through things full circle. And that's what we do with this course. It goes through things full circle for the beginner and for the basics. Of course, there's probably multiple courses you'll need to go through to be able to trade effectively and profitably. If you're interested in options, this course is not going to cover options. So it's really specific for the beginner, for somebody just getting started. If you're brand new to trading, this is what this course is about. And it takes you full circle in that beginning stages and beginning journey. So check that out. Go to our website at tradersfly.com and you can head on over. There's going to be some buttons here. And you could also check it out on our Rise to Learn website. And it'll be right there on the homepage initially. Otherwise, you can go to our courses and see our full lineup of courses and the offerings. So there's a lot of great stuff there coming out, many more things coming soon. So check it out. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe here on YouTube if you're brand new to the channel, or join us on our mailing list so that way you get updated as we release other great videos, books, maybe live events as well, and classes. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.